Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's your old man Mark Bryce. Today's video we're going to go ahead and discuss these Morimoto XB HID light bulbs. Now these are D series, meaning these are the ones that are going to fit in our vehicle. This is for the Jeep Grand Cherokee 2020 Altitude, but this applies to the 2018 to 2021 because anything from 2017 below, I believe they use halogen bulbs, and with that you can use LEDs. But because mine are HIDs and including the ballast that I have built into the headlight system in my vehicle, these are going to work great. Now, how much did I pay for these? I paid no more than $85. I got them on eBay. I'll put the link below. These are like the color. These are 6K. Oh, yep, right here, 6K. The D3S. That is the bulb size that we use for our Grand Cherokees from the 2018 through 2021. You know what I find weird? Same model, same temperature, but if you look at the box, two separate colors. I'm going to say something here that it came in this bag right here. I don't want to show because my information's on the other side, but it came in this bag. And as I'm looking at them, I guess this is how they're packed. There's nothing wrong with it, but I'm just afraid that it didn't come in a box. It just came in here like that, and I just opened it up from the back. Well, either way, I'm going to put these on. Now, the reason why I'm making this video is because I made a video prior with the Lasfit LEDs that I had. I decided to opt out. I decided to return those because I didn't want to install them on my vehicle. Now, the vehicle that I do have, the 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude, in order for you to install those, you are going to have to remove the bumper. There's no way around it. These are pretty much plug and play. You can go through the wheel well, you can go through the engine bay, or however, removing the bumper. Either way, these are easy to install. Again, these are plug and play. The Lasfits are not plug and play. I checked them out. I did my research. I opened up my engine bay. I went through the wheel well. And the reason why they're not plug and play is because those LEDs, you're going to have to take the wiring and connect those to the ballast in your vehicle. In order to do that, you're going to have to remove your headlights. You are going to have to remove your bumper. Well, you don't have to really remove the headlights, but you are going to have to remove your bumper because you're going to need that space to wire those and make sure that you don't mess anything up. So I kind of found that to really do that for those lights. I said, no, I'm not going to do that. See, my vehicle already has HIDs. I'm removing them to install these so that I can get that temperature, the 6K temperature. And these are brighter than my factory ones, but my factory colors, they're now in that, how do I say it? They're no longer producing the temperature color that I like. Now they're turning yellow. I don't like that. When I drive at night and I'm looking at other cool cars, more current cars, their lights have that pure white or that kind of like bluish white. Nice. It's beautiful. It's elegant. And then when I'm driving, looking at my car and I'm producing yellow light, nah, come on, man. It's a 2020. I'm not talking about a vehicle from 2005, 2002 vehicle. No, I shouldn't be doing that on a 2020. But either way, these are going to come out great. I know they are. I've done my research, and these are going to go great on your vehicle if you have a 2018 and up Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, so that's the end of the video. Catch me on my next video because I'm going to teach you guys how to install them.